Today, I'm going to be showing you how to validate and confirm a planned job on the Infraspeak web platform. So once you've logged into your Infraspeak platform, if you head on over to the left-hand side menu and you click on Planned Jobs, you can then head over to the Close Planned Jobs tab up here on the toolbar. I'm going to click on that one and we're going to select a planned job. And to confirm and validate this job, we can do it in two ways. So we can double click on top of this job and come here and click on confirm. And like that, we've validated and confirmed it. Or we can come back here, select our job, and come up here to the toolbar and click on confirm. And like that, we will validate and confirm our planned job. So I'm going to confirm this planned job, and it's going to give me a message asking me if I really want to confirm and go ahead with this option. I'm going to confirm. It is exactly what I want to do. And once I have successfully confirmed my planned job, you can see I will have a green tick here in this column, which means that my planned job has successfully been confirmed. Thanks for watching. Bye.